is all around me, and my strength begins to fall. You're the one my soul runs back to, the safest place of all. Jesus, my forever home, where my heart will never roam. You're the love I'm living for, now and evermore. In your arms I find my peace. In your grace I am complete. You're my refuge, you're my song. You've been my home all along. Jesus, my forever home, where my heart will never roam. You're the love I'm living for, now and evermore. Jesus, my forever home, where my heart will never roam. You're the love I'm living for, now and evermore. Jesus, my forever home, where my heart will never roam. You're the love I'm living for, now and evermore. You're the love I'm living for, now and evermore. Every breath is yours, Lord. From the moment I awaken to the stillness of the night, you are with me in the shadows. You are with me in the light. Every breath is yours, Lord. Every heartbeat too. You gave me life and meaning. I give it back to you. Every breath is yours, Lord. Yeah. You painted grace upon my soul. You wrote love across my days. given. I lift your holy name. Every breath is yours, Lord. Every heartbeat too. You gave me life and meaning. I give it back to you. Every breath is yours, Lord. Oh, every breath is yours, Lord. Every breath is yours, Lord. Every heartbeat too. You gave me life and meaning. I give it back to you. Every breath is yours, Lord. Every breath is yours, Lord. When the promise feels so distant and my heart begins to ache, I'll stay still within your presence, for I know you never late. I'll wait on you, Jesus. Though the night feels long, couldn't see beyond the pain, but my whisper reached the heavens, and you called me by my name. Heaven heard my cry, and you came to my side. Jesus, you answered me with love that won't deny. Oh, when my faith was almost gone, you gave me strength to carry on. Your grace found me where I lay and turned my night to day. Heaven heard my cry, and you came to my side. Jesus, you answered me with love that won't deny. Heaven heard my cry, and you came to my side. Jesus, you answered me with love that won't deny. Whoa. Heaven heard my cry, and you came to my side. Jesus, you answered me with love that won't deny. Oh, your love is my hallelujah. When I think of all you've done, how you gave your only son, every doubt fades away, and my soul begins to say, your love is my hallelujah, my reason to sing. Your mercy is my melody, my offering to the King. my reason to sing. Your mercy's my melody, my offering to the King. Your love is my hallelujah, hallelujah, my reason to sing. Your mercy's my melody, my offering to the King. Your mercy, my offering to the King, to the King. Yeah, your love is my hallelujah. When the night feels long, empty, and the prayers fall to the ground, I still hear your whisper softly, telling me you're still around. Jesus, my heart still believes, even when I cannot see. Through the fire, through the rain, your love is holding me. Oh, you have never left my side, even when I lost my way. Now I stand in faith unshaken, 'cause your mercy lights my day. Eh. Jesus, my heart still believes, even when I cannot see. Through the fire, through the rain, your love is holding me. Yeah. Jesus, my heart still believes, even when I cannot see. Through the fire, through the rain, your love is holding me. Oh. Jesus, my heart still believes, even when I cannot see. Through the fire, river that keeps flowing from your heart straight to my soul. Every drop is grace unending, making all the broken whole. The river of your mercy flows, washing over all I know. It heals, it frees, it overflows. Your mercy never slows. Even when I lose my way, your love still finds my heart. You bring me back into your arms and give me a brand new start. The river of your mercy flows, washing over all I know. It heals, it frees, it overflows. Your mercy never slows. The river of your mercy flows, washing over all I know. It heals, it frees, it overflows. Your mercy never slows. Is covered sinking in my sorrow, lost in all my shame. But you reached into my darkness and called me by my name. You pulled me out of the fire, lifted me from the flames. You wrapped me in your mercy. Now I'll never be the same. You turned ashes into beauty. You made broken hearts alive. Now I'm singing of your glory. Jesus, you changed my life. You pulled me out of the fire, lifted me from the flames. You wrapped me in your mercy. Now I'll never be the same. You pulled me out of the fire, lifted me from the flames. You wrapped me in your mercy. Now I'll never be the same. Your presence, when I lift my hands before you, all the world just fades away. Every burden melts in worship as I call upon your name. Your presence feels like heaven, peace I can't explain. Every moment that I'm near you, I am whole again. Your every moment that I'm near you.
Mr. Zion.
I am whole again. Hey, your presence feels like heaven. Peace I can't explain. Every moment that I'm near you, I am whole again. Your presence, your presence. I tried to earn your favor, but I kept falling short. Then your love came rushing over, a flood I can't ignore. Only grace could save me. Only love could make me new. I was lost and you found me. Now my soul belongs to you. Now my soul belongs to you. Not by works or by my striving, but by mercy undeserved. Now I live to sing your praises. Every promise, every word. Only grace could save me. Only love could make me new. I was lost and you found me. Now my soul belongs to you. Now my soul belongs to you. Only grace could save me. Only love could make me new. I was lost and you found me. Now my soul belongs to you.
Mr. Zion.
Now my soul belongs to you. Now my soul belongs to you. Baby, when I see the mountains move and miracles come true, I know it's not my doing, Lord. The glory belongs to you. the story's said and done, and I stand before your throne, I'll cast my crown before your feet and give you praise alone. Glory still belongs to you. For every battle you brought me through, every victory, every view, it all belongs to you. You whispered softly, you're still mine, and carried me along. Oh, your love never let me go. It followed me through highs and lows. Even when I walked away, your love refused to fade. Your love never let me go. It followed me through highs and lows. Even when I walked away, your love refused to fade. You reached into my brokenness. You wrapped me in your grace. Now I'm standing in forgiveness, forever in your embrace. Your love never let me go. It followed me through highs and lows. Even when I walked away, your love refused to fade. Your love never let me go. It followed me through highs and lows. Even when I walked away, your love refused to fade. Your love never let me go. It followed me through highs and lows. Even when I walked away, your love refused to fade. Your love never let me go. It followed me through highs and lows. Even when I walked away, your love refused to fade. Your love never let me go. It followed me through highs and lows. Even when I walked away, your love refused to fade. Your love never let me go. It followed me through highs and lows. Even when I walked away, your love refused to fade. When the waves rise high before me, and my courage fades away, I will stand upon your promise, for you calm the wind and rain. The storm obeys your name. Every mountain moves away. Jesus, you still reign. Forever I will say, the storm obeys your name. Every mountain moves away. When my heart begins to tremble and my faith is weak inside, I remember how you're faithful. You will never leave my side. The storm obeys your name. Every mountain moves away. Versing storms I couldn't tame. Then you whispered in the stillness, child, I'm calling out your name. I found rest in you, Jesus. My heart finally breathes in the shelter of your mercy. You bring my soul to peace. No more striving, no more sorrow, no more running in the dark. You have carried me to freedom, and you've healed my broken heart. I found rest in you, Jesus. My heart finally breathes in the shelter of your mercy. You bring my soul to peace. I found rest in you, Jesus. My heart finally breathes in the shelter of your mercy. You bring my soul to peace. I found rest in you, Jesus. My heart finally breathes in the shelter of your mercy. You bring my soul to peace. Mercy woke me up today. I should have fallen one more time, but grace reached out again. Your mercy stood beside me when I was bound in sin. Mercy woke me up today, held my heart and showed the way. When I thought I lost it all, your mercy made me stay. Every breath's a gift from you. Every sunrise sings your praise. I'm alive because you're faithful. Your mercy lights my days. Mercy woke me up today, held my heart and showed the way. When I thought I lost it all, your mercy made me stay. mercy made me stay. The foot of that old cross, I found a love that never ends. Your blood still cries forgiveness, a voice that calls me friend. The cross still speaks my name. Became a promise that you never let me go. The cross still whispers softly, my child, I love you so. The cross still speaks my name. Speaks my name. It tells me I'm redeemed. Where mercy wrote my story, and grace became my theme. The cross still speaks my name. I'm ready to be changed again. Your love restores what life has torn and makes me whole once more. Jesus, hold my heart again. Heal the pieces deep within. I've wandered far, but now I see you've never given up on me. Jesus, hold my heart again. Heal the pieces deep within. I've wandered far, but now I see you've never given up on me. The heavens shout your splendor. Creation sings your praise. I bow before your presence in awe of all your ways. I kneel before your glory, humbled by your grace. Jesus, you are holy. Forever I lift your name. You shine brighter than the sunrise. You reign higher than the stars. And still you love me deeply, right where my heart is scarred. I kneel before your glory, humbled by your grace. Jesus, Every time I thought it's over, you made a way again. When I doubted you were faithful, steady through the end. You never failed me yet. You never will, I bet. Your promises are true. I put my trust in you. You're the anchor in my storm, the peace I can't forget. I've seen your hand before, and you haven't failed me yet. You never failed me yet. You never will, I bet. Your promises are true. I put my trust in you. No, you never failed me yet. You never will, I bet. Your promises are true. I put my trust in you.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh. You left your throne in glory to save a soul like mine. You bore my cross of sorrow to give me endless life. No greater love than yours, that gave it all for me. No higher grace, no deeper truth than what you showed on Calvary. Yeah, yeah. Oh. You took my sin, you took my shame. You called me by my name. Now I live in freedom song to honor what you've done. No greater love than yours, that gave it all for me. No higher grace, no deeper truth than what you showed on Calvary. No Calvary.
While alone, while alone, hey. When the tears fall down like rain, and I don't understand the pain, I lift my hands to heaven's throne. I know I'm not alone. Still I will praise you. Through the storm, through the flame, still I will worship, for you never change. Though my heart may break in two, my faith remains in you. You are my strength, my song, my peace. Your love will never cease. Still I will praise you. Through the storm, through the flame, still I will worship, for you never change. Still I will praise you. Through the storm, through the flame, still I will worship, for you never change. Oh, still I will praise you. Through the storm, through the flame, still I will worship, for you never change. Your light broke through my darkness. I was walking blind and weary, lost in shadows cold and gray. Then your light came shining clearly and turned my night to day. Your light broke through my darkness. Your truth set my soul free. Now I stand in your promise. Your glory lives in me. The chains that held me disappeared. The fear I knew was gone. Now I'm living in your presence, forever led by love. Your light broke through my darkness. Your truth set my soul free. Your truth set my soul free. Now I stand in your promise. Your glory lives in me. Your light broke through my darkness. Your truth set my soul free. Now I stand in your promise. Your glory lives in me. Power in your name. Every mountain moves before you. Every demon flees away. Healing flows and chains are broken. When we speak your holy name, there is power in your name. Jesus, mighty to save. Heaven trembles, hell must flee. When your name is over me. Your word silences the thunder. Your voice calms the sea. At the sound of Jesus, every soul finds peace. There is power in your name. Jesus, mighty to save. Heaven trembles, hell must flee. When your name is over me. There is power in your name. Jesus, mighty to save. Heaven trembles, hell must flee. When your name is over me. Jesus, you saw me first. Before I called your name, you were standing in the shadows, loving me the same. Jesus, you saw me first. When I was lost and cursed, you reached beyond my pain and covered me with grace. Oh, oh, oh. You found beauty in my ashes. You saw purpose in my pain. Now I live to tell the story
I was empty, lost and broken, till you breathed new life in me. Now your mercy flows forever, like a river endlessly. Grace runs through my veins, washed away my stains. Now I live redeemed, because you live in me. Oh, every heartbeat sings your story, every breath declares your name. I'm alive because you saved me, and I'll never be the same. Grace runs through my veins, washed away my stains. Now I live redeemed, because you live in me. Oh, grace runs through my